wants to basically use their invisibility to get into positions where you don't expect the jungler to be, and then start the fight. Because the wave went into the tower, it's what they call bouncing back. Right now the wave's coming back, and now Frederick he snuck into that bottom brush, and we'll see Miffy potentially ward it, but they should be careful.
Oh, the death sentence as a bait. Frederick may find himself a battle cow. He's caught Miffy out, the slow is out, the flail is swinging. Or Adri.
I think he was too nervous there. He should have waited, held on to that, but they're going on the top lane. There's not enough distance to make it.
Well, the gank isn't going to be needed when a death sentence connects, and this time round, Godfred connects. Miffy interrupts the knockback. Over-aggressive. They don't want to put themselves in bad situations, but we do see OG taking advantage of the back timing from Adri to go for
that's exactly what I said earlier. Once somebody cops out of that lane, you know, once that item spike first, you can just run to Dragon and take it down because
you can be trying to roam, looking for a target. If he finds Amazing, he might kill Amazing. Morellonomicon is already completed, but look at the bottom. You can see Frederick's in lane. This is going to be a 2v2, and we can see the roam from Godfred. Amazing has been caught up, but the chains do not connect.
XP lost by a camping bottom. They're going on the bot lane here. Audi gets caught. No, respect flash.
That's a flash away, but an instant flash into Pulverize and headbutt. The Lantern pulls Audrey backwards. The Enchanted Arrow stops Niels for a second, but that's first blood to the newcomer on the stage. Here comes Whirlip. He slams them against the wall. They get frozen by the prison, and that's 2 kills to Giants, but there was a reply teleport from Soaz. He's put down the equalizer, 2v3, and the Giants are low. Soaz is looking for Niels. He didn't find a target. Amazing, however, has found Godfrey. Gonna keep running him down with those hate spikes. Soaz does not have equalizer for a few more seconds. The Lantern pulls Audrey backwards, but the Pulverize knocks them both up. That's another kill to Origin. Amazing's on the board. The Flame Spitter puts Frederick in this middle lane, but Miffy's a little bit out of position. He's actually knocked Whirlip back. We do see Niels has joined the party. Whirlip with a defensive gnaw. A knockup from the Fate's Call, and now Whirlip is chunked down from the Ren. The Ash Arrow comes out. It does land onto Miffy. He's going to be falling to very prey in a second. No, he's still alive.
Objective-based gameplay against a team that is notorious for going for a lot of picks and a lot of kills, you know.
And this does actually relate back to the story we told off Giants on the side lane. He does in fact do that. Maybe a little too far away for the rest of Origin to respond. Niels is looking forward. That's a flash into Dark Binding. Audrey catches Soaz up, but the Spitter is still burning him away. Agony's Embrace is melting Giants on the side lane. It's a 2-for-1 as the Glacial Prison locks up Origin. A flash away from Godfred. He's trying to survive, and it looks like he will. Frederick is going to face plant into Pekka.
They're fine with a solo split push and bottom. They don't care because they can win the fight 45. They're luring out Giants, and it might even turn on them later.
Well, the Ash Arrow flies through. It lands onto Niels. That's the target they want. Miffy is thrown to the side. Niels is gnawed up against the wall. Summoner Heal forced to blow, but we did see that Whirlip was taking that Lantern up.
Giants gets carried by Pepinero, you know, and then they just build to shut him down. If he's not doing anything, he is 1-1-0 right now, and Peke, he's having the time of his life.
Well, let's take a look. I'm expecting an arrow here from Audrey. This one flies out. It does connect onto Miffy as he re-emerges from Fate's Call. So as it's knocked backwards, stunned up by Whirlip. Now we see Miffy finally forced to flash away. They've dropped Whirlip's now, and Peke is flashing forward with the Soul Shackles. The Rend plus one more spear is enough to get a kill, and Niels almost dropped by Pepinero, but almost is simply not enough.
4 people. He won that fight, in my opinion, just keeping people busy with the Alistar pick, making sure the arrow doesn't hit his teammates, and this fight went long enough for Origin to just deal so much damage. They're getting contested on the back.
Audrey's, that's very brave. He's got caught, he's got knocked up. Whirlip arrived, but Audrey was on
They stalled
the wrong side of the river.
This is the scary point. The wave went in, Soaz wants to push it, but they have no idea where LeBlanc is. She could flank, and this could be good.
Well, let's see if they can. Niels has already used the QSS. Heal now pop. Flash is still available. Pepinero has found him. Giants have got one of the main damage dealers away from the fight, but they do lose their support. Now Amazing is the next to fall, and Frederick, he manages to survive from the equalizer. Miffy knocks him back, delays, tries to keep himself alive. We see ourselves in a position where
Pepe's flanking again. He's doing the same thing on the other side of the map because of the dragon timing, and Origin's buying into it.
All right, let's see what they can do. Pepe's got caught out. He lands a Dark Binding, and instantly Pepinero is down. 5v4 now as we see Frederick on the retreat. Glacial Prison has been used, and Whirlip has got not a lot of options to throw down that Gnaw. He does hold on to it for a while, knocks him into free space. There's no stun. The Ash Arrow finally, but again, it's too little and too late.
And still find a way to get his damage across. Didn't happen, and that means immediate fight over. If your flank fails, if one of your sides gets taken out, you're playing 5v4 immediately, or worse, you know, 5v3, and you lose the fight immediately.
And we did see Audrey and Godfred trying to take a dragon, but they were pushed away by the threat of Miffy and Soaz. Top lane. 3-man Origin was bottom, but he's on his way up to the jungle, and Giants, I think, wisely back away. to not overcommit without the primary damage by those ethereal chains is amazing. Is looking to set up a flank. Soaz has put on a very early equalizer. This could be just distraction while they secure the tower. 3 members of Origin flowing forward. The Glacial Prison does absolutely nothing. Niels is able to
minions are piling in on bottom every wave. Super creeps. Amazing's looking out for the LeBlanc flank.
Well, we do see Pepinero lands right in his head. Mithy flashes forward, gets the knock-up, headbutts him backwards. Amazing may go down. The Ignite is burning. We did see the inhibitor turret falling. Amazing was killed by Ignite, but Godfred is traded in return. Ash Arrow connects there onto Niels, but it simply does not matter.
So far ahead. Nice fight. Clean execution. Only 7 kills. 8 now away, but they're getting the Nexus, and they're taking a first game in the European LCS.